Wait, we need a thinner baking tray.
What are you trying to do?
That's not going to catch any water.
No, not that thin. Yeah, like the back one.
Then pass the one behind the sink.
But not that one. No, that's the one that's still there. That one.
Why?
That's ish perfect-ish. I mean,
That'd be more perfect, wouldn't it? It's black.
this is.
And it's got more
But that's not ours.
Yeah, but it doesn't
Yeah, but
matter.
that's not.
Mate, it doesn't matter. You don't want to be fucking about with that. Mate, you don't want to be
Hold on a
fucking
minute.
about
Hold on a minute.
with- Just take this one.
Okay, maybe you can get rid of that stuff now.
Hold on a minute.
Well, we're going to do this
I
a
think
little
this-
bit at a time.
Baking
Wait.
tray,
Do you know what's easier? If we
Put it
just
on
use
there
a
like
cloth.
that. Move.
Is that open now, or
It's on.
Unscrew it like a normal screw thing.
only goes one way or the other
Have
way?
you done it?
You unscrew it
No
left.
water.
It's coming out. Yeah.
Can we not just do that? Can we not do that?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Mate, you're an idiot.
Why? We've got most of it. At least you can mop.
I got most of it on the floor.
At least you can mop the floor. You can't fucking.
No, Finn.
Can't mop the washing machine.
This is brilliant.
Excellent work.
Oh god!
What are we going to do for the rest of the year, though? Just do this.
We're definitely gonna have to tell them about this tomorrow.
This is what our washing
What's wrong with doing this?
Summer is so annoying.
Do you want to do this every wash? Yeah? Yeah. Thought so.
Thank God we got a tumble dryer. Jesus Christ. Don't like a bigger. Why don't you use this now? Because that's bigger and like deeper.
Because it's not flat.